Hello everyone, this is the Week 14 update video for Stats Spring 2012. This is our last kind of official week of classes, and next week is finals week. So this week we're trying to finish up all of our discussion boards. So I've graded all of them. For those of you that have submitted, link to a study and hypothesis test. A few things on that. Make sure when you're doing answer your own question, a hypothesis test. I know some people were actually posting real data and analysis on there, and I'm not sure how you would get that since you're actually making up your own question. So, just answer these 4 questions and don't be bounded by, time and money. You can, think of a big question you'd like to answer and how you would design that and answer the questions over that. The link to a study. I think many of you had flip-flopped. Remember our null hypothesis here? The null hypothesis is always equality or no difference. A lot of you were trying to say the null hypothesis was significant difference, or your null is that something is going on. Remember, the null is that there is nothing going on, or that variable does not change anything. The alternative is that there is a difference. Equality always goes with null. So I've commented on those. Come back into Blackboard, fix those. And I've submitted zeros if you haven't done these yet, just to encourage you to get them done. You'll have until next Tuesday, May 1st, to complete all of those and get corrections done. So if you submit on May 1st, whatever you get, you get. You won't have time to make corrections after that. So I encourage you to get those done this week. All the homework is due on the 26th for chapters 10 and 11. And I also wanted to point you to the final review materials. So if you look here in chapters 10 through 12 in final review, we've got some videos over. Chapter 10 is on linear regression. Chapter 11 is on goodness of fit, test for independence with the chi-square distribution. I encourage you to watch all of those videos, and I may post a few more. Also encourage you, if you go back into chapters 10 through 12 final review, if it says final review materials, I've got some notes from previous courses about the topics that'll be in the final. We've got a few videos. These are kind of dated a little bit, but not that much. And we'll be having several review sessions this week. We're going to have one on Tuesday night, our normal office hour. I'll be broadcasting class on Thursday, April 26th from 10 to noon, 10 in the morning till noon. And then if you can attend that, that's great. And then we'll have another final review session on Sunday night, the 29th of April. So there's going to be, really 3 times you can get in here and ask questions about what's in the final. I would encourage you to make sure go back under course content and go under each one of these to see the solutions of the last of the 3 exams this semester to help you study. And then there's going to be the new topics over 10 through 12. The final will have the same formula sheets that you've had in the last exam, t-table and z-table, and the new one is the chi-square distribution, which you use in chapter 11. So and I'll go over more specifically in our review sessions how you would use this table for the final. And let's see here. I would also encourage you to, for your final review, it's split in half. So there's a multiple choice enter-free response. So this is a little different format, and it definitely is going to need some time to study. And but primarily focus on probably 7 through 12, the last half. The first half is not as emphasized because it's kind of prerequisite materials. So anything we do this week under final review materials, I'm actually going to post the links here to like our office hours and the recordings of those things to help you get ready. So a lot going on. I would really get those discussion boards done early this week, get your homework done early this week, and then be ready to start reviewing all of your old exams and get ready for the final. The final needs to be completed by next Tuesday, May 1st, so I can get those back and graded and get the grades submitted by that following Monday. So the face-to-face class will be taking it Tuesday during our normal time as well on the 1st. So hope you have a good week. Please do not hesitate to contact me, call me, email me, and the solutions video over chapters 7 through 9. I'm missing a couple. I'm hoping they're in my mailbox at school, but then those will be posted under old tests here, chapters 7 through 9, and then there'll be a folder here for spring 2012, and I'll post this semester's exam solutions there. And as always, you can always go to Course Compass and check out your grade there to see what your grade is right now. And the final is worth, I think, 15% of your overall grade. So each test is about worth 15%. So it's worth kind of like an equivalent of another exam. And good job for all of you that are keeping up with the work, working hard here. I know it goes fast, and we only have 8 more days. So give it your best effort here, and please contact me if you have any issues.